Hello friends, welcome to the Amni Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this one, we'll discuss 19th April to 2021 current affairs and most important GK questions daily basis. So we'll start our first question. Which state government have asked officials to use the new Assess Corona app for door-to-door survey in COVID-19 containment zones? Options are Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Maharashtra, Delhi. Answer is Delhi. Second question. Which state government has launched a helpline to address mental health and psychological problems that may arise during the COVID-19 lockdown period? Options are Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Telangana. Answer is Telangana. Next, how much compensation will be provided to postal employees in case of succumb to COVID-19? Succumb to COVID-19. 5 lakh rupees, 20 lakh rupees, 15 lakh rupees, 10 lakh rupees. Answer is 10 lakh rupees. Recently, Reserve Bank of India cancelled the license of which bank as it does not have adequate capital? S Bank, Mapusa Urban Cooperative Bank, Jila Sehkari Bank, Mahansa Urban Cooperative Bank. Answer is it's Mapusa Urban Cooperative Bank. Next, Reserve Bank of India exempted accounts with moratorium benefits from asset recognition norms for how many days? Options are 90 days, 100 days, 120 days, 80 days. Answer is 90 days. How much amount of fund of funds would be set up for export-oriented micro, small and medium enterprises (MSMEs)? 25,000 crores, 20,000 crores, 15,000 crores, 10,000 crores. Answer is 10,000 crores. S&P Global Ratings slashed India growth forecast for the current fiscal to how much percent? 1.9%, 1.6%, 1.5%, 1.8%. Answer is 1.8%. As per Reserve Bank of India, country's foreign exchange reserves have risen to how much as of April 10, 2020? 454.9 billion US dollars, 502.5 billion US dollars, 450.6 billion US dollars, 476.5 billion US dollars. Answer is 476.5 billion US dollars. Which company announced the acquisition of the United Kingdom's most iconic sport motorcycle, Norton? Ford, TVS, Honda, Maruti. Answer is it's TVS. Next, recently Sri Chitra Tirunal Institute for Medical Sciences and Technology has developed a diagnostic test for COVID-19, which it claims can furnish results in less than half the time taken by the method currently being used in the country and for a fraction of its cost. It is situated in which state? Options are Kerala, Karnataka, Assam, Tamil Nadu. Answer is Kerala. Next, 11th question. Recently, which Earth-size and habitable zone planet found hidden in early NASA Kepler data? So options are Kepler 5464b, Artemis 6800c, Kepler 1231b, Kepler 1649c. Answer is it's Kepler 1649c. Next, 12th question. Which application was launched by the government for transportation of farm produce to mandis amid lockdown 2.0? So options are Kisan Rath, Kisan Agman, Aage Badhao, farmer friendly. So 12th one it is Kisan Rath. Next, 13th question. Which department has created an integrated geospatial platform out of available geospatial data sets, standards-based services, and analytic tools to help decision making during the current COVID-19 outbreak? Options are Department of Science and Technology, Department of Personal Training, Department of Social Development, Department of Health Affairs. So, 30th one answer is Department of Science and Technology. Recently, Sahara Oren passed away. He was related to which field? Singer, journalist, actor, politics. So 14th one answer is politics. Next question. Who is the author of Shuttling to the Top? The story of P.V. Sindhu. V.A. Krishna, Narendra, M.K. Singh, V. Krishna Swami. So answer is V. Krishna Swami. 16th question. Ministry of Finance has amended the Credit Guarantee Fund for Micro Units, that is CGFMU scheme to increase the coverage of lenders' loan loss. What is the new coverage limit? 65%, 85%, 55%, 75%. Answer is 75%. Researchers at Center for Nano and Soft Matter Sciences (CEMS) have developed face mask Tribo-E-mask, which uses electric charges to restrict the entry of infections and the too without any external power. CEMS is based in which city? Chennai, Bengaluru, Kochi, Hyderabad. Answer is it's Bengaluru. Which institute has developed an online platform COVID-FYI for assessing emergency services related to coronavirus provided from official government sources? Options are Indian Institute of Technology Bombay, Indian Institute of Science Bengaluru, Indian Institute of Technology Kanpur, Indian Institute of Management Kozhikode. So answer is Indian Institute of Management Kozhikode. Next question. The Credit Guarantee Fund for Micro Units (CGFMU) scheme covers micro loans up to dash extended under Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana. 12 lakhs, 10 lakhs, 15 lakhs, 20 lakhs. Answer is it's 10 lakhs. Government has announced the inclusion of loans of SHGOs to be covered under Credit Guarantee Fund for Micro Units scheme. What is the maximum amount that will be covered under the scheme for SHGS? 20 lakhs, 30 lakhs, 10 lakhs, 25 lakhs. Answer is 20 lakhs. If you like the video, please like it, try to share with your friends and family members. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.